When you hold your breath, which of the following gas changes in blood will first lead to the urge to breathe? Option first, falling O2 concentration. Second, rising CO2 concentration. Third, falling CO2 concentration. And fourth, rising CO2 and falling O2 concentration. Now answer is think. Second is answer. Rising CO2 concentration. Lungs are made of air-filled sacs. The alveoli, they do not collapse even after forceful expiration because of residual volume, inspiratory reserve volume, tidal volume, expiratory reserve volume. Answer is residual volume. The partial presence of oxygen in the alveoli of the lungs is A. Equal to that in the blood. B. More than that in the blood. Third, less than that in the blood. D. Less than that of carbon dioxide. Answer is B. 1 minute. B is answer. Lungs do not collapse. Lungs do not collapse between breath and some air always remains in the lungs, which can never be expelled because there is a negative pressure in the lungs. There is a negative intrapleural pressure pulling at the lungs wall. There is a positive intrapleural pressure. Pressure in the lungs in higher than the atmospheric pressure. B is the answer. Reduction in pH of blood will A. Reduce the blood supply to the brain. B. Decreases the affinity of hemoglobin with oxygen. C. Release bicarbonate ions by the liver. D. Reduce the rate of heartbeat. The answer is B. Decrease the affinity. Name the chronic respiratory disorder caused mainly by cigarette smoking. A. Asthma. Second, respiratory acidosis. Third, respiratory alkalosis. Fourth, emphysema. The answer is fourth, emphysema. Name the pulmonary disease in which alveolar surface area involved in gas exchange is drastically reduced due to the damage in the alveolar wall. First, pleurisy. Second, pneumonia. Third, emphysema. And fourth, asthma. The answer is fourth, asthma. They are the most important question which can become in exam and has come also in 2015-16 exam. Approximately 70% of carbon dioxide absorbed by the blood will be transported to the lung as bicarbonate ion in the form of dissolved gas molecule by binding to RBC as carbaminohemoglobin is the answer. First, as bicarbonate ions. The figure shows a diagrammatic views of human respiratory system with label A, B, C and D. Select the option which gives correct identification and main function and or characteristic. First option is I can't able to see a trachea lung to be supported by complete cartilaginous rings for conducting inspired air. I think, right? I don't know. Second, B. Pleural membrane surround the ribs on both sides to provide cushion against drubbing. C. Alveoli thin walled vascular bag-like structure for exchange of gases. D. Lower and lung diaphragm pull down during inspiration. The answer is correct answer is third. Alveoli thin wall muscular bag-like structure for exchange of gases. 1 minute. I want to choose. Which one of the following is the correct statement for respiration in human? First, cigarette smoking may not lead to inflammation of bronchi. Second, neural signal from pneumatic center in bones region of brain can increase the duration of inspiration. Workers in grinding and stone breaking industries may suffer from lung fibrosis. About 90% of carbon dioxide, that is mainly known as CO2, is carried by hemoglobin as carbamine. Think for the answer. I will give you 10 seconds. Third is the answer, right?